Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this cute BTS jar. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to print out a logo onto a piece of paper, and then you want to cut around the logo with scissors. After you cut out your logo, you can tape the logo inside of the jar. You don't have to use a mason jar like how I did. You can use any jar that you want. Then you can put one or more coats of any color of paint onto the jar, where the logo is, with a paintbrush. For the letters of the logo, I use a pencil as a paintbrush to paint the letters, because the letters are so small. You can use a pencil for the tiny details, or the letters, too, or you can just use a paintbrush. When the logo is dry, you can take the logo that's in the jar out of the jar. Then you can paint the inside of the jar any color that you want. I painted my jar pink. If you need to, you can clean up the logo carefully with an exacto knife so the edges of the logo look better. When you like how the logo looks, you will need to wipe off the paint that was scratched off with the exacto knife with your hand. The last thing you can do is that you can take some twine or some ribbon and tie a bow onto the jar. And that's how I made this BTS jar. I think it came out looking really cute. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!